Okay, so today we're going to be making basic buttons in Flash. So first go to your Start, Programs, Macromedia, then Flash. Then you want to click on Flash Document. Now you're in your video editing center. Right now you're just going to make what your button's going to look like. So you can make whatever you want your button to look like. It can be a circle, but right now I'm just going to make it a square. Add some text. You can name it whatever you want. Doesn't matter. Okay, once you've done that, you want to select the whole thing. Click and drag over it. Right click and go down to Convert to Symbol. Then here you'll have all these different types: movie clip, button, and graphic. You want to click button. Then again, you can name it whatever you want. Just gonna name it button. Alright, once you've done that, you can hit Control Enter to view it. So now you can see that it gives you the option for it to be a button, but it's not going to do anything. So you have to double click on it and go to your button editing center. You've got up, which is when nothing's happening to it, so you leave it like this. Over, which is when your cursor goes over it. Down when you click it, and hit after. Let's go to over. Hit F6 to enter a new frame, and then edit it so that what you want it to look like when a button goes over it. I mean a cursor goes over it. So I'm just gonna make some squiggly lines. And you can do whatever you want. You can change the button, whatever you want, really. And then down, F6 again. This is what you want it to look like when you click on it. Just gonna change the background. Okay, once you've done that, hit is a bit different. Hit in basic button making, you probably want to stay the same as your original button form. So F6 in this, then delete it by hitting the delete button. Go to here, copy, and then paste it back into hit. Then all you have to do is line it up with the plus. Once you've done that, you have your basic button. So this is when nothing's happening to it. This is when the mouse hovers over it. This is when you click on it, and this is after. Hit scene and go back here. So now you've got your button in your movie thing. You can then view it. Control Enter again. So when you go over it, you can click it, turns green, do all that cool stuff. But it's not going to really do anything. So that's where the coding comes in. But first, let's put in the scene. So in basic button making, you want it to make sure that if no one clicks on the button, it'll start your movie automatically. So let's go to about 200 and insert a keyframe, F6. Then you want to scroll all the way back to your original keyframe, which is where your main button is, so that you don't code it in that keyframe. So click on here, so that we're coding the button in the first keyframe, in frame number 1. So then click on your button, then right click, and go to Actions. When you're in Actions, you'll have all these things. You'll have Global Functions, Global Properties, and Operators. Go to Global Functions for now. Then click Movie Clip Control. Go down to On, so now you're dragging it over here. So now you're telling the computer that when you click it, it has to do something. So then go to Timeline Control. Go to, and put it here. So now you're saying when it's clicked, go to and play frame. We put it to 200, so go to and play frame 200. Now click Enter, and go down here. Now when you go back here, slide down to 200, and this is where you can start your movie. So let's cut this out. And I'm not going to make a movie, so I'm just going to show you just a couple of things moving around. Just show you that it works. Oops. That's good enough. So now Control Enter to view it. So now you get your button. Oops. Control Enter. So now you've got your button. If you go over it, it'll go like this. If you click it, it turns green, let go, it starts your movie. And it'll go back. Now, for more information on button making, you can just email me on my YouTube account. And also, I'll be uploading some more movies this month on how to make play buttons, stop buttons, and other stuff on Flash. Thanks for listening. You can now go try it yourself.